This could be the vehicle you're looking for, powered by four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include privacy glass, power steering, great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Valley Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 111 Auto Lane, Sparta, Tennessee 38583.